Now, if you're looking at a short-term graph of Shiba Inu coin, it looks fantastic. Shiba Inu coin bouncing off lows around 1,850 points, now testing 2030 or 2040 points per coin. So we're actually looking pretty good over the last couple of hours. Guys, this is a minute chart here. And of course, if you go out and you look at the daily chart, you can see that it paints a little bit of a different picture. Shiba Inu coin had a massive pullback over the last couple of days as Jerome Powell came in, spit poison all over cryptocurrency, and of course we watched all of these prices decline. It's not just Shiba Inu coin, but Bitcoin fell down as well. We're sitting here, we're in a pullback, and I'm viewing it as an opportunity. An opportunity to buy, an opportunity to load up. Now, the most recent position that I added was Solana. Solana pulled back pretty heavy to about 100, I think it was like 175, but I got it in the 180 range. And we're watching it bounce back right now. We have to maintain that positive attitude, and we can't just read articles like this. Shiba Inu coin crashes dramatically, losing 20%, is all over, and fall to the trap. Let's talk about why, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over Shiba Inu coin, but I can't get lost in the drama. This is exactly what has happened in previous bull markets. This is exactly what causes a lot of retail investors to miss out. So stay tuned for that, but I do want to show you Pepe Meme. If you guys have not been diversifying into tiny little meme coins, make sure to check this one out. These guys are building a huge community. They've already raised almost $2.6 million, but they get 31 million players in their Telegram game. This is my favorite part, okay? Their X account, a lot of support. Shout out to Matt Perry. Dude's doing really well right now. Their X account has 537,000 followers. 537,000 followers for a project that is not launched yet is absolutely incredible, guys. These people have been building a community for quite some time now. This is the dashboard, and you're going to notice a beautiful, nothing but green line graph on the screen. Now, that is because it's in its pre-sale stages. You cannot sell the token in its pre-sale stages. You're going to see a lot of volatility on launch day. You're going to see some red candles. But to be honest with you, I mean, you could have watched the price fall 95%, and you're still breaking even if you would have got in a little earlier. If you decide to get in now, you can watch the price fall by about 75-80%, and you're still going to be making money. So if you look at Solana, 10 of them right now are around $1,800, $1,900, and on launch day, it's going to be $9,200. Anytime you can turn $1,800 into $9,200, people are going to be taking profits, right? If that's you, if you're paying attention on launch day, why wouldn't you be able to book that profit? Now, if you're thinking, yeah, man, I'm going to ride it up, it's going to be $9,200, and then a couple days later, it's going to be $92,000. You might be sorely mistaken. People will book that profit, just to let you know. Live transactions taking place. You can see every single one of them coming over. People buying in the leaderboard if you want to know who owns what. And, of course, you can type your amount in and know exactly how much money you're going to have on launch day. Let's talk about Shiba Inu coin. Because I read stuff like this, and it gets a little, not frustrating, man, but I've seen this time and time again. The price action that we've witnessed over the last couple of days, right? This is Bitcoin right now, and it's doing a very good job to recover this. But this price action, this knee-jerk reaction, or this, I guess, little bit of a sell-off here, a lot of it has to do with emotional retail traders and then institutions or whales going out and busting liquidity on leveraged positions. Guys, leverage is great. But leverage is more or less a short-term trade. If you hold long-term on leverage, there's a very good chance that you run into a major pullback like this, as these guys aren't going out and stop-loss hunting, they're liquidation hunting. So what that means is that if you opened a position here, or if you opened a position way back here and you rode it up, you were on 50x leverage, man, you ended up making 5-6x your money. They came in, boom, dumped the price, so that, of course, they don't have to pay you that because you still held the position and never closed out. So understand, you can make a lot of money, but it does add risk. Now, Shiba Inu coin has suffered a significant setback, losing almost 20% of its value in a few trading sessions. The price has fallen through important support levels as the 50-day or 50-period exponential moving average is currently trading about 2,200. It's currently trading at about 2,000 points per coin, 2030, 2050. It's bouncing back a little bit better right now. 2050 points per coin, and is maintaining that support line around 2,000. Due to the bears' total dominance of the bullish sentiment, Shiba Inu coin is now extremely vulnerable. Choice wording. Shiba Inu coin is not extremely vulnerable. Shiba Inu coin is extremely valuable at this level. Guys, I'm telling you what, it's so funny to me that a couple weeks ago, when we saw prices here, 2,800 points per coin, people were wishing they had the opportunity to buy at 1,700, 1,800 points per coin. You were kicking yourselves, saying, I would have bought it. If I ever get that chance again, I'm buying it. I'm buying it if I ever get the chance to. Here's your chance, right? But instead of buying it, you know what people are doing? Complaining. It flabbergasts my mind. People are complaining about Shiba Inu coin being at these levels when 2 months ago they said, if Shiba Inu coin ever hits that level again, I'm definitely loading up this time. I'm not going to miss my opportunity again. Don't miss your opportunity. Guys, you've got to view this in positive light. This is a pullback based on Jerome Powell saying we may cut interest rates less in 2025 than previously anticipated. Dude, I'm telling you right now, that fool has no idea what 2025 is going to bring. You guys see all the insanity that every new day brings. Dude, we got so much going on in this world that if anybody tells you they know what's going to happen tomorrow, they're crazy. Dude, what was it? 2 days ago, we had aliens taking over. Drones all over the United States. Aliens are invading us. I mean, oh my gosh, the narrative that comes tomorrow, nobody knows what it's going to be. So why ever look at this in a negative light? Look at it in a positive light. Because here's what I do know. I know that the crypto industry is set to explode. $880 million in damages is indicative of a period of market-wide deleveraging. Exactly. These people take Shiba Inu coin, right, and Bitcoin and Ethereum, and these institutions dump off after Jerome Powell opens his mouth. They deleverage everybody out there, and then they go in and buy the dip. It's that simple. Guys, you cannot look at this. What's the total market cap right now? You cannot look at this $3.2 trillion industry and think that institutions, governments, corporations, whales are not out there setting themselves up to dominate. They know that when this turns into a $10 trillion industry, they're going to create $6-7 trillion in wealth. Do you think that they want retail rising up and becoming rich? Do you think that they want you to stop working for them? Do you think that they want you to leave your job? No, absolutely not, man. They want to keep you bound to that desk. They want to keep you bound to your 9 to 5 so that you can come in and do their work all day long. They don't want you to have this opportunity. They want to create that $6-7 trillion in wealth in the expected next couple of years. I mean, one day the crypto market could be $40-50 trillion. Do you think that they want retail creating tens of trillions of dollars of wealth for themselves? The answer is no. But if you're simply willing to buck the trend, ignore the emotion, and stay invested, I'm telling you, man, we are going not only to make it, we are going to own it. And if you guys are looking for places to buy, the KSX exchange offers the best selection of meme coins that I have seen on up to 100x leverage. And the BitUnix exchange, I started accumulating on these guys about 2 weeks ago now, because starting Q1 of 2025, they've got bot trading coming. They let you go on up to 125x or down to 1x leverage. And they also have copy trading, where if you get followers, you can earn 10% of their profits. These guys are earning a ton of money. I want to be a part of that. I want you to be a part of that. I don't want you to be bound. I want you to be free. Let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.